Hi everybody, welcome to class. Today we have Billy, Jess, Marlon and Nick. Let's go. Back and down. Good to go? Good to go? Yeah?
Good to go, sir.
Yeah,
Good to go?
Come on, G.
Okay, strong set positions, our base for lifting. So let's warm up all the muscles in our body before we hit the workout. Deadlift slow. Bar to the top of the knees. It's an easy hip hinge. Let's start by warming up all the muscles in the back. Deadlift 3 in 1. It's a lower back, upper back, glutes and hamstrings. All the big movers, the back muscles. One more time. Easy on the row. Down, squeeze, up. Okay, really pull that bar deep into the belly as you activate the upper back. Okay, big feel now to the kneecaps.
Yes, Glenn.
Yeah.
Woo,
Feel a
feel.
little ready. How we doing?
Good.
How we doing?
Yeah, G.
Yeah. Wide triple row. Mid upper back. Sneak the hands and go. Yep. 3 squeezes. 2 squeezes. And rise. So as you hinge, really think about drawing that belly in, bracing the core, bar to ribs. 2 more times. Big pinch into the upper back. Hips are back. Last one. Now we're going to bring the hands back into close grip. Hands back in, 2-2, upright row. Go. Nice. So from the back of the body to the upright row. Okay, bar to the lower chest, yep. Fast up, slow down. 1-1-2.
Yes,
To
Glenn.
1-1-2. To 1-1-2, yeah.
1-1-2.
Again. Last time. Okay, slow cleans and presses. Focus now on the pull and the drop. Catch, drop, set. 3 more. Up, knee bend. So now we're integrating the legs. Front of the body to the legs. Keep the bar close on the clean and press. So our most dynamic move that we're going to use in the class, here's our practice. Yep. Okay, single timings.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Belly embrace hard. Drive through the legs. Catch it high in the chest. Okay, into the leg muscles we go. Bar meaty part of shoulders, step back. Lunges. 8. Yes. 7. So front thigh, back knee, straight down. Aiming front thigh to be parallel to the floor.
Come on, team.
8 on each leg. Change. Yeah. Woo. What a song. What a song.
What a song. Absolute tune.
Big music, big feel, big energy. Last one. Step out wide. Wide stance. Back squat. 2 and 2. Yep. So knees go towards your toes. Sink your hips back. The butt just above the knee level. Bar goes straight up and down.
Looking good, G.
Easy single. 8, 7. It's a little heart rate kick, this one. 4. Okay, enough. Bar up to the side. Light plates, please. A short shoulder set. Slow raise. Elbows under shoulder height. 2 for 2.
We with you, G. We with you, G.
Okay, isolating the deltoids. Bar slow. Bar slow. And then we're going to hinge with a rear fly. So it then becomes about stability and rear deltoids. 2-2, timing, rear flies, yep. Reverse flies. 2-2 hinge. Belly brace hard now. Chin tucked, eyes forward. Stabilize the upper back, fast and slow. Yep. Trunk on the 45 degrees. One rep and we are warm.
Pick the bar up, put on the immediate part of your back. Roll out stance. Squat 4 and 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. First things first, heels down. Hips back and down, 2, 2. Right above knee line, right to that 90-90. The heels are heavy. All 10 toes down on the floor. Pinky toe, big toe, and the heel. Woo! 3 and 1. Drop the knees out over the feet. From start to finish, we got you. Right here. Us and you and us. Chest up, chin down. Singles, go. Round 1 of 4. Find your range here. That natural spot where the hips want to shoot back up to the front. And as you stand up, drop through the heels. Push. Squeeze the glutes at the top. Push hips forward. And drive heels to the floor. 4, 3. Round 2 coming at you. Slow. 4 and 4. Upper body. Just as important. Squeeze the shoulder blades. Slide them down your back. That'll spread the chest. Abs on tight. 1, 1, 2. Down. Core is hard. That protects the spine. Keeps you upright. Especially at the bottom. Smooth it out. 2 and 2. Body's starting to heat up, I know. But that's all right. No person left behind. Start together, finish together. Round 2, slow, 4. Hips back. Heels down. Elbows under. We ready, team?
Yes!
Singles! 8. Oh, now you're cooking. Now you're cooking. You got the top, you got the bottom. Let's change it up. Triple pulse, bottom. 3, 2. Timing. Stay down, stay with us. I know it burns, it's okay. Shake it out, quick break. Shake.
Yeah, good job. All right, let's get it again.
Slow, 4 and 4, wide. Pain is temporary. Pride is forever. 2 and 2. Down, 2. Up, 2 in the water stance. It's easier to stay upright. You want to match the angle of your shin and your torso. 3 and 1. What that means, I'm staying upright. Nose behind the toes. Woo! That's how we do it. Round 3. Singles. 10 toes down, yep. Heels heavy. As it starts to burn a little more. Dig deep. Find a little bit more, 8 more. Abs are still tight. Body starting to fatigue. Whenever you need it, come to us. One more round, slow. 4 and 4. It's not easy. But you didn't come for easy. You came for effective. 1, 1, 2. Get down, stay down. But before the legs say yes, has to be yes here. We can't decide for you. We can make sure we're ready. 2 and 2. So what's it gonna be?
Yeah, Marlon.
Yes or no? Woo! Slow. Is that a yes?
Yes!
Yes.
Is that a yes?
Yes!
We thought so! Singles, go! You didn't come this far to just come this far. I promise you we won't leave you behind. We got you every step of the way. Every step of the way. 3 pulses, finish with us. Hit it! 3 more times, come on. Dig deep, don't you miss a rep. Come on, you got it. You got it. 1 more. Stand. Take it off.
Take care. See you next time.